In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your alumni on LinkedIn fast. Connecting with fellow alumni can not only help you expand your professional network, but also open doors to various opportunities. So, let's get started and explore how you can quickly find your alumni using LinkedIn. First, head over to LinkedIn's website by typing linkedin.com into your web browser. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly set one up using options like Google or Microsoft, or simply use your email address along with a secure password. If you're setting up your account or logging in, don't forget about two-factor authentication. If you have this enabled, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your account, sending a code to your phone number. It's just an added layer of security to make sure it's really you. After you've logged in, you'll want to use the search bar at the top of the page. This is where the magic happens. Type in the name of your school or university to locate its official LinkedIn page. Be careful here, as many institutions have both a school page and a company page. You need to make sure you're selecting the right one, the school page, which is specifically for current students and alumni. Once you've found your school's page, look for the Alumni tab, usually nestled in the left side navigation panel. Clicking on this tab opens an impressive overview of your school's alumni network. This is where you get to see what your fellow graduates have accomplished after they finish school and find out where they are now in their careers. From this page, LinkedIn offers you a variety of filtering options. You can narrow down your search based on location, company, industry, and even specific skills to find alumni who match your interests or career path. These filters are an excellent tool to make your search more efficient, ensuring you find exactly whom you're looking for. After narrowing down your search, and once you've spotted alumni that you're interested in connecting with, it's time to reach out. One effective way to make a connection is by sending a personalized message. Mention your shared alma mater and express your interest in building a professional connection. This personal touch not only increases the chances of your connection request being accepted, but also sets the stage for meaningful interactions. Finally, once you've reached out, remember to click on Save to keep track of the connections you've made. It's a simple step but crucial for maintaining your professional network. And there you have it, a straightforward way to connect with your alumni on LinkedIn. Following these steps can help you build a network full of valuable connections that can enrich your personal and professional growth. Happy networking!